Hey everybody, it's Lisa Wright, and I am part of the Group Juice community. I want to show you where you find the most optimal time to post your videos on TikTok. And basically, it is through your desktop. You have to use your desktop for this. So I'm going to share my screen. We're going to present mode. We're going to do TikTok. Okay, watch trending videos, and I want to share this with you. All right, there's my boss right there. Okay, guys, so over to the right here, we're going to click our profile picture to the right, and you're going to scroll down to Creator Tools. Then you're going to click your View Analytics. And then you're going to see here this screen with all your analytics in here. And there's 4 tabs up here. There's Overview, there's Content, there's Viewers, and there are Followers. Okay. So you're going to want to click on Viewers. You're going to want to scroll. This is basically the performance of your channels. So you're going to scroll down here and you're going to see here, it says in the last 7 days, your viewers are most active on the October 15th between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. That's the optimal time that you're going to want to post to grab the attention of your viewers. But then you also have followers here. So you're going to click on followers and you're going to scroll down. Look over here on to the right. Most active times. Over the past 7 days, most of your followers, this is basically about me, were active October 16th at 16 p.m., which I believe is 4 p.m. in the afternoon. And this is your local time. And that would be the most optimal time to post for your followers. So that's it, everybody. I just wanted to share this quick 2-minute, 3-minute video, and hopefully this helps. And thank you for being a part of Group Juice. And I'm so happy to be a part of your life and so happy you're a part of mine. Take care, everybody.